Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Angelita. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial kung paano ma-download yung ginawa natin sa Canva to PowerPoint presentation. So yung magiging output is PowerPoint. So let's get started. So first yung ginawa ninyo, open nyo na muna sa Canva. So ito na yung ginawa ko sa Canva wherein gusto ko itong ma-download through PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so click share. So yung usual na ginagawa natin is click download. So, ito yung mga magiging output like JPEG, PNG, PDF, SVG, mga file type, and MP4 and GIF. So, wala dito yung PowerPoint presentation. So, what are you going to do is click again. So, let's start it over. Click share again, and then scroll down here. So, dito sa more, dito natin makikita yung my PowerPoint presentation. So, let's scroll down again. Ayan. So, nandito na yung Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We will just click this, and then, ayan. So, i-choose mo lang kung ano yung mga i-download mo. In my case, I want to download all of the pages. So, ayan, all pages. And then, just click download. And it will show you here, downloading PowerPoint. So, ayan, makikita po natin dito sa baba, it's already downloading. Let's just wait for it to finish downloading. So, I'm gonna show you the output. So, kung makikita nyo yung icon niya is already PowerPoint. Now, it's finished. Let's see. So, ayan na po yung output nung dinownload natin. Naka-PowerPoint file type na siya. So, that is how easy to download a file in Canva to PowerPoint presentation. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next tutorial. Bye-bye!